We begin with News Channel 3's Marian Bouchot, live tonight on Arenas in the downtown with a look at the damage there. Marian.
Hey there, John. So the damage was pretty extensive over here. I'm going to get out of the way. I'm going to show you what exactly is going on over here. So right there, that's the tree stump of the big tree that toppled over last night with the winds and really just knocked over a bunch of the tables, chairs, all the heaters here that were there just knocked out. And all that's left is just this part of this empty patio and the caution tape. And although the storm is over across the city, cleanup efforts are still underway.
Look, the popo is over here. The tree done fell on Arenas. But the club's still open, though.
Tuesday night's strong winds knocked a tree over onto Black Book's patio in Palm Springs. City crews quickly responded, cleaning up the debris.
Nature won, Black Book nothing.
Owner of Black Book, Dean Levine, closed the patio earlier that night because of the wind. Luckily, no one got hurt.
Our city services were out within an hour. The police were out to make sure traffic came through safe. Chief Mills actually came out from his dinner to come and check and make sure we were good.
The bar lost all 12 heaters, multiple tables and stools, and part of the fencing and patio umbrella, totaling to about $15,000 in damages. But business will continue as normal.
Just reopen, be ready. We're resilient, we can do that.
Beyond Arenas, work crews cleaned up debris from streets to parks.
We're prioritizing cleaning up the fallen branches in the streets and parks to make sure it's safe for everyone.
Crew worker Victor Navarro says city cleanup can last up to 3 days if the winds don't start again.
When you see crews working, make sure to keep a safe distance so you don't get hit with debris.
In his 5 years of being part of the crew, he says this windstorm wasn't out of the ordinary. All the collected debris then goes to the dump.
It's life. I mean, winds happen. It's Southern California.
Now, Black Book will continue to stay open despite the damage that happened on the patio. And the owner, he told me that he's already looking to order more supplies. Live in Palm Springs, Marian Bouchot, News Channel 3.